Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the vlogs. It is another beautiful day, and today is gonna be one of those videos where I have no idea what's gonna go on, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So we are heading to the shop right now to check on the charger. It is literally almost done. This is the final video I'm gonna post before the reveal. So it's getting there. It's getting there, and I'm just so ready to have this car back. What's up, Nick? Woo! Stop playing. Oh, let me come out there. Woo! Okay. What's up, my baby?
What up, cuz?
You doing all right?
I got another new car, bro.
Another new car?
Another new car.
Take it easy. The IRS are gonna be on your ass.
Oh man, I got no money for these cars. They're all gonna repo.
In a month they'll repo them. F it. But we got the M5 here, and we have my Challenger Redeye. But just look how beautiful this thing. If I had one car to pick from, just one car to be able to daily that has performance, luxury, everything, I would go with the M5, especially an M5 competition. But check this brand new M3 out. Oh my God, has the huge grille, which had a lot of people talking. This is a competition, has the competition wheels. Oh my God, this thing is a beauty. Wow. At first, when I seen that grille, I was like, eh, but it's growing on me and it looks a lot better in person. Now let's go in here. Oh my boy, looking good. You guys are all matching. I'm sorry, you know, we gotta make sure we're doing the right thing for the cameras, you know? No handshakes, 6 feet apart, you know what I'm saying? But here's the car over there. We got another charger here, and we got this beautiful X4M. Man, I'm really falling in love with BMWs. Competition, sorry. This thing is a beauty. Let me look at the interior. Oof. Wow, this interior is nasty. It's nice, I like the wheels too, look at that. Man, I don't know, BMWs are growing on me, honestly. And maybe one day, I'll be able to get one. Once I save enough money, I'll be able to buy one. Hey, that M3 out there, nasty. I like it. It looks great. It just needs a splitter. I don't think the grill's too big. Bro, they needed a change, bro. It's been the same grill for fucking 20 years.
Alright, then another 10 years you're gonna be
On top of the hood. there won't be a hood, it'll just be a whole grill. There won't be a bumper. I mean, this one is bigger now than ever. I mean, this is huge.
doesn't look bad.
I get what you're saying.
It's coming all the way down.
Yeah, but they needed a change.
Yeah.
I don't know, I like it. I like the M3s more than the M4s.
No, yeah, for sure.
Like the 4-door is just.
You know how to count to 4.
Look at you all over the place. And we got the boat here. Poor boat. I think we gotta turn this on, man. I haven't turned it on in God knows how long. We gotta just. Look, I got this thing all the way covered up. So we got most of the, well, I think we got all the parts in, to be honest with you. Look how beautiful this thing is. Nick, quick startup. Why don't you do it? I'm sorry. I know you're doing your job, but I just need a quick startup for the people, you know? Has it not been started for a while? No, he just moved it, I think.
No, bro, it hasn't been started in at least 2 weeks.
Oh man, you gotta start it, bro. because of like we don't have coolant and all sort of shit in there. But I just wanted to start it real quick for you guys. And Gentian also just got a bike. Congrats. What is this, a 600? Hey. All right, so here we have every single receipt for every single part we have ordered for my Charger Redeye, and in today's video we are gonna go through that. So let's start with this one. So by the way, these are obviously discounted because my shop gets discounted rates. So this one is for my my beam front and the absorber. It's basically the piece that, I don't know, I'll show you guys. It's this. So the impact thing right here, so that's that, and that was totaled out to $659. You guys see that right there? So that's one. And then here we have the headlight, and after the discount it was $564, so that's that. And then here we have the AC reinforcement, a bunch of AC stuff, the coolant, the radiator, all that good stuff. That came out to $671. Obviously they get discounted majorly. I mean, look at this part. This part is $1,500 right there. You see that? Oh, why is it blurring? All right, right there. This part is $1,500. I'm not sure why it's not here in the total. They must be getting hooked up, I'm not sure. So that's that. Here is my wrap and Nosatech, $700. So here are all the damaged parts off the car, and then here are the new parts that just came in. And again, we're missing one more part, and this thing is getting put back together. I am so excited to have this thing. Shout out to MC Whips for dealing with me, and they did good, honestly. They're taking care of it as fast as possible. So shout out to them. Make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram. It's literally Motor City Whips. And they also got this X4M. And I forgot to mention what they're doing to this X4M. They're actually PPFing the entire thing. Literally, you can't even see it, but it's done right here. You can't see it. So basically, PPF will protect your car from rock chips, paint, anything. Literally, they're doing the entire car. And I'm not even gonna tell you guys how much they're charging this customer, but it's such a fucking deal. Like, it's a steal. So if you guys want affordable work and amazing work, MC Whips is the place you wanna come to. So shout out to them, man. They've been taking care of me throughout this whole thing, and I've been a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. I just wanted to cover all the parts and the cost of it because you guys deserve to know that. And this will be the last video I will make about the Charger Redeye until it's done and I come pick it up.